Hi ladies, welcome to our new KZN Woman in Business website. We hope you enjoy all the new features that we're going to have on the website, one of which is a member directory, which we recommend that you as a member take advantage of. It allows you to actually list yourself on the member directory with images, with all your contact information, with information about your business, so that members, when they search, can actually find you and use your services. So how you would do this is you would go to the KZN Women in Business website and click on the link at the top, which is Member Directory. When the membership directory loads, you'll see there's an option at the top here to submit a listing. You click on that. And as you see, you will be required to register or to log in before you add your directory listing. If you have an existing login for the site, then you would log in here. If you don't, you would need to register. So over here where you see not yet registered, you would click over here. And it will take you through to a page where you can register for the site. So I would suggest making your username your name or your business name or something that people will recognize, and then you need to put in your email address. You simply click on the register link. And you will then receive an email in your inbox, which you can there with further information for registration. You will have received an email that looks like this once you've entered your username and your email address. And literally you do exactly what it says. You click on the link in the email and you will be given the opportunity to set your password. So here you can see, obviously it gives you a password that you can set. You can obviously replace this with anything else that you want to do. And once you've done that, you click on reset password and it sets your password. Okay, so your password has been set. You can now go back to KZN Women in Business. Go back to your member directory. And go through to submit your listing. You're now going to log in with that username and password that you created. Okay, and now you can go ahead and submit your listing. So the first thing you're going to need to do is choose a category. You can actually just select the category that you belong to from the list of drop-downs that exist, and then click continue. If you find there's a category there that is not listed and you think should be, just drop Nikki an email and we'll be able to sort that out for you. So your member name is your name. Your business name is obviously your business name. Your position in the company. Your website URL, this link text is if you want something else to appear instead of your URL when people click on it. So if you want something to say, click here for my website, for example, you can enter it there. It's optional. You can use the same thing. It's really up to you. Enter your business phone number. Enter your mobile number. Business address and zip code and all of that stuff is up to you whether you want to enter that or not. Some people trade from home, for example, and don't want to share that. You then have the opportunity for a short business description. For the purposes of this, I'm just going to copy and paste these in to save time for the video, but you would fill these in with whatever information you want. Business services, these are, think of these as keywords that people might be searching on. You can enter more than one and you just separate them with a comma. So websites, online marketing, whatever you feel your tags need to be. You could do as many as you want. Your business contact email can go in here. Do note that this isn't displayed on your listing, so that we, resist people getting spam, but that people can actually submit a message to you via the website, which you will receive at your email. Okay, you then click on continue. Okay, you now have the opportunity to add some listing images. You can add up to 8 images, and these can really be whatever you want them to be. So, for example, let me go and find a headshot of myself. And I'll go ahead and upload that. As I said, you can add up to 8 images, so think of using this area and perhaps updating it on a monthly basis. You could add things like specials, you could add things like samples of your work. So for example, if I then went ahead and chose some of my recent clients, I could, for example, upload an image of a recent website I've done for a client, and you can upload specials, you can upload anything you want. That area is yours to upload content to. So, as we've mentioned, upload up to 8 images. They can be up to 3 megs each, which is fairly large. And once they're uploaded, you'll simply click on continue. So I will do that once you can see one is uploaded. You can set which one you want as your image listing as well. So for example, if you uploaded your company logo or whatever the case is, you could choose which one to set as your listing thumbnail. I'm going to click on continue now. You will then receive the following message on your screen to confirm that your submission has been received, and this will then go through a checking process where our administrator will check your listing and confirm it. You will receive an email at that point to confirm that your listing has been approved, and you will then be able to come back to your member directory and view it. So once your submission has been reviewed by our administrator, you will receive an email notifying you that your listing is now published and that it's now public. When you click on the link, it will actually take you through to your listing. I'm going to just show you via the member directory here. If you'll remember, we chose the category website development, and you'll see that there's now a listing under that category. If I go through to that category, you'll see that I'm listed. That is the featured image that I set. You'll see this is all the information that I put in. When you click through, by clicking onto your name, you'll see the full listing. So for example, here's that image that we uploaded, and you will see all the full listing information. One other really interesting thing we've added is the ability to review your fellow members. You will need to be logged in to do this, and then you'll be able to post a review, but we will post a little video clip explaining to you how to do that. You'll remember I told you that your email address isn't visible in your listing because we want to prevent spam, but you'll see at the bottom of your listing there's an option to send a message to the listing owner. So in this case, if somebody entered their details here and clicked on send, I would receive an email from them through the website. And that is how you add your membership listing. So please go ahead and do so.